Hey, what is up guys? My name is Oleg, this is Bond. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel and like the content, please do subscribe so you won't miss any of the upcoming videos, and we have some awesome unboxing and watch review videos coming your way. In today's video, I finally got a chance to unbox and have my initial impressions of Phoibos Rolex Submariner Homage watch. Since I started this channel, I was aware of Phoibos and I always wanted to get my hands on one. Well, finally the communication with Phoibos was established. Thank you Emily and Ethan for sending me this watch in for review. I'm super excited to open up the package. The package was actually delivered to Canada about 3 weeks ago, but the package was looping around different cities. Really tested my patience, but it's finally here. It's finally arrived. So let's pop the box open and see what the buzz is all about. Alright guys, so in this box is the Phoibos Rolex Submariner Homage. This is their newest model, updated model, so I think every few months or so they go over quality control issues and just some minor updates to the bracelet, to the bezel, to the dial, and so on. So the reference number for this specific Phoibos, I believe, is PY007 and C. So the C, I think, is the third iteration of this Submariner Homage series. Phoibos actually got kind of famous and known for their Rolex Submariner Homage watches. So I believe this is the watch that got them famous and put them on the map, so to speak, with the watch enthusiasts and watch collectors. Now this is my first encounter with Phoibos. I gotta tell you, I've been trying to get one of these watches in for review for a very long time. Almost every video that I do about a watch, whether it's a diver like best diver under a certain price category, or even ask you guys to leave comments with your favorite diver watches, there is at least one or two comments people recommending Phoibos watches. So this micro brand is well developed, well liked, and evidently has its own cult following. Let's pop the box open and check out the watch. Instructions manual, really cool. Good quality box. Wow, look at this watch. So I haven't taken the wrap off yet, but just of the initial impressions, the watch feels very hefty. It feels substantial and like a quality item, like a quality watch. Now I knew that I was going to receive this watch today, so I actually have not touched or held the Bezel Marine Diver, my other Rolex Submariner Homage, probably the closest alternative or competitor to this watch here, because I didn't want the, oh look at this clasp, I didn't want the Bezel to influence my opinion of this watch. I just wanted to react to it and give you my initial impressions as I unwrap and as I open this watch, kind of how you would if you were to receive one of these watches for the first time. The most satisfying part of opening any package is peeling this plastic. Oof, that feels good. Look at that sapphire crystal. Now, one of the biggest reasons why these watches are so popular is just the set of specs that you receive for a very reasonable price. So I think this watch here is priced at $300 US. Now the specs that it has more than justify that price. We have the sapphire crystal with AR coating, kind of gives off a bit of a blue hue in certain lighting conditions. We have a ceramic bezel. I believe that these markings here are all lumed, so that's a really cool touch. Actually, that's the first watch in my collection that has lume on the bezel, so I'm really excited about that. We have this beautiful dial and that logo. On pictures, I wasn't sure how that's gonna look, but the logo actually fits and looks really nice. Gives the watch a bit of a unique look. All right, let's test out this bezel. Oh yeah, that feels good. Satisfying, solid, very little back play. Yeah, almost no back play here. All right, so I was able to get all the plastic off of the bracelet. Really good quality bracelet. So as I mentioned, here we have the engineered milled clasp, done well. It fits well, it feels secure, well done. It feels heavy, feels hefty. They didn't pay homage to, or copy if you will, the Rolex clasp, the log glide mechanism, so they chose not to go with that. This clasp does not have the diver's extension as far as I can see. I mean, how many of us do really need that? Not too many micro adjustments. The 2 pushers here to release, really well done. Wow. The bracelet, all solid links, solid end links, and look at that case back. That engraving looks good. Let me see if the camera can focus. There we go. Wow. Thoroughly impressed with this watch. Initial impressions, very positive. Now, of course, I'll do a full review of this watch in a few weeks' time. Let me wear it on my wrist, let me test it out, take it to the beach, things like that. And at some point in the future, after I spent enough time with this watch here to make up my mind and to kind of understand the watch better, I will compare this watch side by side with the Bezel Marine Diver to kind of give you some pros and some cons for each one of the models. Now that's all to come in the future. If you don't want to miss those videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of Phoibos, reference number PY007C. 007 named after Mr. Bond over here. Little known fact. Appreciate you watching until the end. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this watch, and also let me know if there's anything specific that you would want me to test out before I do the full review for this watch, or if there's anything specific that you would want me to mention about this watch when I do the full review. By the way, on my wrist today, I'm wearing a Orient Mako 2. I did a full review of this watch not too long ago. Absolutely love this timepiece. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.